Hi everyone, welcome to Hello HeadLight. In this video we are going to see trim function. So trim function allows you to remove the unnecessary blank spaces in your input text. You can also use trim function to remove unnecessary spaces between words in a string. So here I have taken an example. We have taken few input strings. We are going to remove the unnecessary blank spaces which we have it in our input string. So if you see the first example, between these two words we have more than one blank space, right? Normally between two words or after a full stop we will have only one space, not more than one. Before we remove the unnecessary blank spaces, let us count the length of input string. So I'm just typing len, open bracket, our input text, just close bracket and press enter. So we came to know our input string has total 24 characters including the blank spaces. So now let us apply trim function here. So I'm just typing trim. So trim syntax will accept only one argument, that is your input string. So we have to just give our input string and close bracket, press enter. We got our result. Trim function removed the unnecessary blank spaces here. So let us count the length of result, right? So let us type len, select that result and close bracket, press enter. It gave us 16. So that means we had 8 unnecessary blank spaces in our input that got removed using trim function. So let us expand this formula till end of our data. So now we got the required cleaned data. So in this case we have 3 places where our input length and result length is equal to same, right? So that means your input does not have any unnecessary blank spaces, so trim function did not do any action there, it just written the same text. So thanks for watching, keep supporting. In next video let's meet up with an interesting function. Until then, bye bye.